going on, everybody? Dude, today is a special motherfucking day. One, because it's goddamn 700 goddamn degrees and I'm sweating my goddamn ass off. Instead of swamp ass, I got swamp tits and all kinds of freaking swamp ass you could get, possibly get. Anyways, you guys can barely see me because goddamn steering wheel. I'm actually driving my brother's car because we're actually taking the S14 to its first ever meet. We're taking it to +1. It's gonna be absolutely amazing. Everyone there is gonna see the car for the first time, including Mark, which is the hoster of the event that we're going to. But guys, I'm scared as balls driving his other car because you guys probably know his other car, which is this one right here. Yeah, this is my second time driving it, so I gotta make sure, since it's on airlift, I gotta make sure everything's Gucci, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, I'm gonna focus up on the driving. I don't wanna freaking mess up this car or else I'm dead. I'll see you guys when we get there. Or maybe I can get some rollers with the S14. Just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. So beautiful in all its glory. So beautiful in all its glory. What do you guys think about it? Did you guys hear it?
Sick. I got some rollers.
You got rollers? Dude, look how crazy it looks, dude. That looks so sick.
You're getting ready, bitch.
I know, but we're ready.
Yeah, because we thought you were going to pull up.
He's like, oh, well, Daddy's coming.
And then I out here is like, oh, bro,
I'm going to take a shower
go.
there real fast while he pulls up and I'll be ready. And then I'm back here.
God damn, what happened to your laces? Why are they so dirty, dude?
Damn, dude. You probably took us to the pizzeria, that's why. Just
like that, we're in the line to get into the goddamn freaking show. We already saw I already saw people that are over there that handle all the cars. They're like, oh, is that Odds? Which is the guy that owned the S14 behind me. And then he showed up and he was like, he saw Andrew. He was like, oh, so you bought the car. You got to make sure you take care of it. And I was like, yeah, you got to take care of it, Abby. And look at the cars we got already. We're pretty much kind of in the back, starting kind of in the back area. But look at the freaking Ninja Turtle car. Holy. look at my boy Mark. Look at my boy Mark. What's up, my boy? What you think about the car behind me? Yeah.
Hot boy.
Alright, where am I going? So where are we at today, Edwin?
Today we're in +1 Paradise.
Okay.
Can't tell.
Mm-hmm.
We're out
If you can't tell, I don't think you know.
We're out here with Danny Schutz.
Alright. Now what?
And then we're here with Junior Tilt.
Oh yeah?
He's over there slaving away.
Being an alcoholic?
Yep. Hey, go ask him what he has in his hydro flask.
And then what are today's sponsors?
Today we're sponsored by Bucks Lowe's and Get Lucky. And then we got Eastside airing out.
I think he's airing up actually. Freaking Superman mobile right here. Crazy looking car. Look at the interior, bro. Holy crap. Look at that. Freaking red carbon everywhere, dude. Freaking Hot Wheels Superman collab. Holy shoot, bro. Like, what the hell? This is straight out of GTA 5. These fools put every freaking section, every selection that they had. Look at, oh my. Oh my. Oh, it's bigger than my hand, dude. Oh, shoot. Would have been sick if it was molded wide body. Would have been nice, but it's already, oh, look at, hey. We already seen this one over here by Arundel Speedway. What the Those are new. Freaking 6 tips. Oh my God, this guy's set for life. Yo, no one ruined this, man. Do not mess with this freaking car. Do not mess with this car, dude. Look at the freaking interior. Holy, let me see the back. This guy's set. He has his own freaking little, yeah, this guy got it. This guy got it. I don't know what freaking he can win, but dude, this guy has TVs in his headlight. Like what? Like what? Nah, that car got it for sure. Something about this freaking Millennium Jade. Whoo, the red interior. Rolled out freaking fenders to fit the wheels. A little bit of wide body. Wood with like a leather sway out of freaking, oh my God. This is a nice Brody. E46. Beautiful. Oh, the new Z? I think this is the new Z, right? Yeah, I think this is the new Z. This is a nice wrap too. Very unique. I always say this in different videos. I don't like solid colors like red or like gray, you know, red, whatever. I like stuff like this, where it brings out the car like a lot more. Like, you got all that going on. Definitely cool, because you got the chrome to match like the air tank. You got the little ambient lighting going on in there. It's pretty nice. This is a nice one right here. Oh my God, look at the engine bay on this one. Damn. Clean, 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 clean. And then this right here, this is something you gotta appreciate, okay? I think because of my dad, he has a 1995 Bug. I always appreciate like cars like this. The oldies, you know what I'm saying? Always gotta take it back. Nah, but this Porsche right here is crazy. This is where the S14 was actually supposed to be, but my brother ended up, he said he wanted to stay back there because he doesn't want to drive it to the front and make sure, you know, he doesn't want to like mess it up. So that's where the S14 would have been, but it's all right, it's all right. Obviously there's like more cars here, but like, I ain't gonna lie, regular traffic, I ain't gonna lie, but this one is worth recording. The Playboy freaking Porsche. Then we got my boy Broke right here. Changed up the freaking wrap. It's like a freaking chromatic purple tint with the white wheels. Beauty. Matching with the white interior seats. Matching, 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 clean, clean. God damn, we're freaking listening to good music. This is the best car here. Damn, look at the camera. That's funny, bro. That is so funny. Pictures of the S14, baby. Crazy car, man. Insane. Shoot. Holy crap, that's so loud. Oh my God. Dude. That is a nice sounding freaking car, dude. If I'm not mistaken, I just saw a 34. There you are. There's a 34. Eric is here. This fool just won two-step, bro. No freaking way. You already won two-step? Oh my God. Go. Yeah. Next. The next victim. Throw him in there.
There we go.
I messed with my throat. Jeez. Look at that hat, look at that Put the hat loose so that you can go like that. Holy crap, dude. Bro, it like tickles your throat. It's like if someone goes like this. Holy crap. Let's install that system in the S14. Bright ass light brings all those freaking flies, and look, they're all on the Tesla. Oh my God. Oh goddamn, they're on me. Ah. Guys, I wish I had like a little stand that goes like from here all the way up. That goes like this. And you can just see everyone's reaction to the S14. Dude, if I were to start the car up right now and just turn on the fans, turn on one of those buttons right there, everyone would be around it.
That's your car?
Yeah, dude. You know what's the retail on one of these? About $570. For now, I'm going to go to the trophies, see if we want anything for the 14. First meet out, already winning a trophy? Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Best JDM, Andrew.
So, let's get into it. For third place for best JDM, Drew.
Let's go. Best JDM, Andrew.
So, let's get into it. For third place for best JDM, Drew.
Let's go.
First time, I think I just seen a boat. He just got it not too long ago.
The 14.
But hey, shout out to the
She first freaking show. Got the trophy.
You guys haven't seen it?
Third place for the S14. Oh, she. First freaking show we brought it out has already a trophy. Let's go, Edwin. That's all you, baby. Oh. Oh. Hey! There you go, Brody.
I was gonna yell, that's my boyfriend.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Alright, you guys already said long enough once.
That was a warm-up. That was a warm-up, by the way. This guy's crazy, bro. Hey.
We need to get a start. Let's give it up for the mall.
Yeah.
Their favorite build too.
Alright, so Jenny, 10 seconds.
Happy about that too.
Jesus.
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 Give it up for the Mustang.
He's my Might be louder or something.
Oh my goodness. Alright, start casting your
Oh,
boat.
hey.
Super Eric, give me 10 seconds.
You hear that?
Give it up for the Johnny.
Yeah, baby!
What happened? Give it up for the Johnny.
Woo! These are loud. You can't, like... These are loud, bro. It's just you got the constant.
2, 1, 15 seconds.
See his phone? Eric wants his phone.
Chill, my doctor said chill. Thank you for tonight, guys. Tonight.
That last one killed me. Oh yeah, the floor's burning. The freaking floor. Oh, there is a crater. Oh shoot. All right, boys. 3rd place, JDM. It's time to put the 14 down. All the way. It's time to go. Make sure those are freaking good to go.
It's good.
Alright guys, unfortunately my brother was a little too scared to be revving the car. He doesn't want to get busted considering he just got it, you know. And he doesn't want to be rude with like the venue or whatever. But totally understandable. I try to get revs for you guys. Yeah, sorry that the video maybe wasn't too much about the S14, but I tried to make it. I'm not good with these videos. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. It was a little vlog, a little something different, you know. But anyway guys, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I think I already said that one, I'm not quite sure. But guys, this was a complete success no matter what. The freaking S14 coming out to his first ever meet. Insane. We don't like to rev it because like I think I already told you guys, it's a show car, so it is what it is. You know, it's not my car, it's my brother, so he's gonna do whatever he wants to do with his car. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, a little something new. And yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Never gets old, never gets old.